Okay, let's get into a really strange fact about, well, your own body.
Go ahead, right now. Just look down at your feet.
Sounds crazy, right? But what if they're actually younger than your head? This isn't some sci-fi movie. It's real physics, predicted over 100 years ago. Yep, it all comes from Albert Einstein and his theory of general relativity. So get this, gravity doesn't just pull stuff, it actually bends space and stretches time.
Here's a cool way to think about it. Picture space as a giant, flat trampoline. Now, a huge object like the Earth makes a deep bip in that trampoline. And the deeper you are in that curve, the slower time actually moves.
Okay, so what does this have to do with you? Well, your feet are closer to Earth. That means gravity is pulling on them just a little bit harder than your head. And because of that, time is literally ticking slower for your toes. Wild, right? But wait, is this just a theory? Nope. Scientists have actually measured this happening.
They used these incredibly precise atomic clocks to prove it. Seriously, they are that accurate.
So here's the deal. Time moves faster for your head than it does for your feet. Over a lifetime, the difference is about 90 billionths of a second. Tiny, but real. So what's the takeaway? You are, quite literally, a walking time machine. Science is just weird sometimes, isn't it? If you dig this stuff, stick around.
It really makes you wonder, what other secrets is your body hiding?